image, a Black Friday image. This is from the Lobes. This is a Black Friday ad, just one day only. In store, one day only, 11/24. That is the only day it's going to be available. So this is like a doorbuster, like an old school style Black Friday deal. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. It says it starts at 6 a.m. on Friday. Obviously, one day, the 24th only. It says Lowe's Black Friday Golden Gable Deals. Black Friday doorbuster starts now. All right, to start here on the top, we got $100 off on the Cobalt modular storage system. So it's down to $119. That is a really, really good deal. Killer deal on that one. So just $20 above $100. That's really good. It is. I always keep telling you guys, this is one of the best ones for the money. If it's gonna be $119, definitely jump on this if you're gonna need something for the pro, or somebody just starting out. That's a great modular storage system to get into. All right, so next one down, we got a Christmas tree, 20% off, $63. That's pretty good. Down from what, 79? Sorry, it's hard to see. 79. Let's see what else we have here. We got drills, $30 off, down to $49. From 79 to 49. That's pretty good. We got $9 for a pack of 2 Craftsman tape measures. That's really good too. Usually, they're 15, 20 bucks. Let's see, you've got the tools. What is this? 36 pack. We got a washer and dryer, $6.98. I don't know if this is. Yeah, it's probably each. So this is $560 off. All right, so and then we got a toolbox. This is it used to be $20. Remember, guys? $19.98, so around $20. It's gonna go down to $12. That's pretty good. The little smaller boxes. Let's see if I can. Okay. Yeah, I'm talking about this box here. All right, so we got a griddle. This is once $79, down from $159. We got a tote. This is a heavy duty tote. This is with the yellow tops. It's pretty good. $9.98. I've seen this at Costco. But yeah, it's pretty good at $9.98. That's pretty much a good price for it. We got impact driver, drill driver for $99. That's a really good deal. Usually they're around $149 Black Friday deals, but for $99, actually, it's not for both of them. It's just for one. So $99 each. Yeah, that's kind of like we already seen that before. Same thing with this Craftsman. It says buy one get one free. So you buy the. Yeah, it's really hard to see. I don't know which. Let me see if I can click on it. Yeah, it's not gonna let me do it. All right, so $99. Buy one get one free. You get a free battery. It looks like a starter kit. And then we got the pancake compressor for $99, and then we got the 77 piece for $99 as well. So let's get it while deals while you can. It says 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months. On the card. All right, so next one. All right, the next one down, we got the spend and get free. So you buy any of the ones on the left, get a free tool on the right. The first one, you get a 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries with charger for $199. Get one free tool. And then to spend the $449 deal, which are the brushless tools. My guess is 4-tool combo kit for $449. Get 2 free tools. So this one's actually pretty good. There's a lot of good tools you guys could get. Looks like you can get the impact driver. This was the XR impact driver. You can get the jigsaw's pretty good. The oscillating tool is brushless. The reciprocating saw and the circular saw. Do apologize again, guys. It's really small on my side, so I don't know how clear is it on your side, but I'm gonna try to make it as clear as possible. You get a 3-tool combo kit or 2-tool combo kit. Is that 2? That's 2-tool combo kit for $149. So you got impact driver, drill driver, and then you got 2 batteries. for $149. And then you got the table saw for $299. It just switched on me. You got miter saw, says dual bevel miter saw for $399. All right, same thing with the ones on the bottom. You do get you choose from the $199 deal, which is impact driver and drill driver, 2 batteries. These are 12-volt tools. Just keep that in mind. They're still pretty powerful tools, pretty capable, just as much as these. Just a little bit less, but a lot of power for its size. So, and then you can choose from a free tool, circular saw, reciprocating 100 reciprocating saw, the ratchet, one's pretty good, impact wrench, the 5 amp hour battery, the oscillating tool. So definitely check those out. So if you guys are looking for Craftsman, this is actually a pretty good deal. You got $99. You got impact or the starter kit, the 4 amp hour starter kit. Get a free tool. These are not brushless tools. Keep that in mind. At least, yeah, they are not brushless tools. They're still very inexpensive. Great for the DIY. So you can choose from the circular saw, jigsaw, angle grinder, reciprocating saw, a sander. I use the reciprocating saw. It's pretty decent, pretty good. You got some vibration on there, but it's pretty strong. Alright, on this one, you buy the $199 kit, get a free battery. I don't know exactly how big that is. It looks like a 4. It could be wrong. But yeah, you do get a lot of tools for $199, and plus you're getting an extra battery. They are not brushless tools. Keep that in mind. It's great for a gift or somebody just a DIY, somebody just starting out. $399 for a 41-inch 7-drawer. A wood workbench or cabinets. So $399 for that. You got $798 for this. Looks like what is that? 52-inch top and bottom. All right, on this one you got 83 piece for $69. 300. What is that? 300 and yeah, it's really hard to see on my side. So this one's $99. You got this 18 gauge brand nailer for $99. That's not bad. That's pretty good. And then you get some nails for free. So that's pretty good. All right, on the what is it? Cobalt, yeah. Cobalt, you do get the $149 kit. Get 2 4 amp hour batteries and a charger. You can select a free tool, or you can select this one, which you can select 2 free tools with a $299 kit. Keep in mind that these are all brushless tools. These are all really strong tools. Pretty good deal on these. This one you do get the reciprocating saw. What's up with that? Impact driver, drill driver, and it looks like a light. 2 batteries or 1 battery? Can't see the other one, so I just see 1 battery. And you get 2 free tools. My guess is they probably include a second battery. Circular saw, jigsaw, angle grinder, right angle drill, reciprocating saw, 100 reciprocating saw. Is that a 100 reciprocating? Or, yeah, you can choose from either or. And then, so if you have something smaller to cut, or pruning, that one's pretty good. Sander. All right, you got some deals off on these, a little bit cheaper. So you got, let's see if I can make it bigger. Yeah, it's not letting me make it bigger. All right, so you got a blade here. This is a $598 for the DeWalt blade, and then you got a 7. It looks like a 7 1/4, $598 for the spider. You got a 40. Looks like a 47 piece for $898. 14 piece for $898. 6 piece spade bit set for $998. It's pretty good. These I'm not gonna go over because we see them all the time, but $14.98 pretty good on that one. Pack of 3 lockbacks. You got, looks like a 12-in-1, $14.98. So a lot of these are pretty good deals. $14.90 for a pack of 2. These screwdrivers are pretty good. Yeah, we've seen this. This is the same price we've seen before. Same thing with this bit set. That's a pretty good deal for $25. Same thing with this, $24.98. Let's see what else they got. You got what, a 71 piece for $49.98. Yeah. some inflatables, and you got some ladders. So you do have, it looks like a 6 feet ladder for $59.98, and then a 13 feet, if I'm not wrong, Little Giant for $99. You got a blower, 675 CFM, $169. You got a panel light there for $99. You got some smart devices. I don't know exactly what these. Amazon Echo, $17.99. You got a Ring doorbell for $119. Then some other cameras for $199, and a combo light, a security light, and a camera for $199 or $119. Same thing with this one. This one's $49, very inexpensive. So definitely check those out if you guys are, want to get some. You got a rotary tool, a Dremel, $34.98. Let's see what else we have. If you guys are doing some remodeling at the house, definitely check it out. So get some containers here on the bottom. What is that? Buy one, get one free. So you buy a big container, get a smaller one. Let's see what else. Washer and dryer. So if you guys got is that the buy more, save more? Black Friday doorbusters. So there's a lot of stuff you guys could go and look. I'm not going to go over all of it on these. You guys could go over it on your own. All right, that's it. That's it for today, guys. Just thought I want to share this with you guys. Make sure you guys go and look. See if you guys see anything that you want. Especially the first page is pretty good. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.